Hello students! Welcome to our first video, where I'm going to explain you what is a computer network the best way I can. So every network has the same concept. It is used to interconnect things. Let's say I have a friend Molly who knows a guy named Jack, and Jack knows some Nick. This way, although not knowing Nick directly, I am still connected to him, and I can still meet him through our mutual friends. This is one type of network, okay? Well, the same goes with computers. We connect more computers together to form a network. So we can define a computer network like a set of hardware devices, called nodes, connected together by communication links in order to share resources and information. It sounds okay, right? But let's slow down a bit. I mentioned hardware devices that are called nodes. Node is a term we assign to every computer or device in a network. When I say node, it can mean I am referring to a computer, to router, switch, hub, and etc. Basically anything connected in a network is a node. In my example, nodes would be Nick, Jack, Molly, and I. End nodes are nodes that are at the beginning and at the end of the communication line, the sender and the receiver. They are not physically at the end, but logically. Imagine a network like a circle. There is no such thing as a physical beginning or end, because everyone is interconnected. Another thing I said in definition were communication links. We use links to connect nodes. While in computer network, links are cables or electromagnetic waves. They are connecting one node to another. In real-world example, communication link could be anything that can transmit our messages. For example, I can use Facebook to chat with Molly, Molly can speak with Jack when they go to grab a coffee, and Jack can phone Nick to see what is he up to. Internet, air, telecommunications, those are all communication links in this example. Okay, I hope everything is understandable by now. So nodes are devices and links are connections. Next term I want to discuss is a resource and information. Sharing resources over the network means sharing hardware, like printers and scanners, or sharing software and internet access. If I have a printer connected to my computer, and my computer is in a network, I can allow other people to use my printer when I'm not using it. They don't need to buy their own, they can use mine. Sharing software over the network is a bit more complicating, but the idea is to allow other people to use some part of your computer. For example, if I need to borrow my notebook to Molly, I am sharing my resources. Similarly, sharing information or data means sending files over the network. Of course, there are some rules that are called policies that we need to set up before we share resources. But if you're just using the network, you do not need to worry about policies. Only if you are in charge of setting up or maintaining a network, you need to establish the rules. So guys, let's see what type of networks exist. You are using one type of network right now to view this course. It is called the Internet. The Internet is a wide area network, WAN. Type of network depends on the geographical distance it covers. Wide area network is the biggest. It covers almost the whole planet. If some city has their own wireless internet access or Wi-Fi, that network is called Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. It covers the range of 5 to 50 kilometers in diameter. Third type of network is Local Area Network, or LAN, which you can have at home or at work. If you have more than one computer in your home and you want to connect them together so that they can share files and hardware, you can connect them in a LAN. Usually schools and companies use LAN. Another information you need to know is that network doesn't need to have access to the internet. We can build our LAN inside home just for file sharing. But if we do have it, then our LAN becomes a part of the WAN, internet. There are also personal area network, PAN, that covers few meters maximum, and body area network that covers even less. Personal area network is used with Bluetooth and hotspots. Body area network is used by the body sensors and smartwatches. Okay, that's all you need to know by now. In the next video, I will explain why do we use networks.